In this guide, we're going over how you can get the WRM brand here in Sailor Peace and Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, what's super interesting about the WRM brand is that you actually can't farm it anymore. This brand was a part of a limited time Christmas Island update that they did here in Sailor Peace back around Christmas time. And back then it actually dropped from the Dragon Slayer boss, and essentially you had to do enough damage in order to actually go ahead and do this. It was about 10% of the total boss's damage, so you had to take him out first. But once you went ahead and did that, you'd still only have about a drop chance of 25%, so it was more common than some of the other stuff that you had to farm, but it was still pretty rare at the exact same time. This was mainly used to craft the Dragon Slayer sword, but once the event ended, the island boss and the island itself were removed along with all of the drops. So currently there's no way to get the WRM brand through normal gameplay. The only option is just trading for it. That is it. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.